Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure Bitlocker is enabled and you have the 48-digit recovery key or admin rights. Open Control Panel or Settings to confirm encryption state. Once confirmed, plug in power and back up critical data to an external drive or cloud because decrypting can take time and risks data if interrupted. Make sure Windows updates are paused to avoid restarts. Now open the Bitlocker Management tool so you can move directly into disabling encryption. You select the system drive in Bitlocker Drive Encryption and click Turn off Bitlocker. This starts decryption. Do not interrupt power or close your laptop. The tool decrypts sectors and removes key protectors. This is why you needed the recovery key and backup. Monitor progress in the Bitlocker window. Decryption shows % complete. If prompted for admin approval, provide credentials. Once the % reaches 100, the drive returns to standard NTFS. Make sure you keep the device plugged in until finished. You finish by confirming Bitlocker reports off in the management console and then reboot to ensure normal startup. If you want, sign into your Microsoft account and delete the stored recovery key, otherwise keep it safe. If decryption stalls or errors appear, restart into safe mode and rerun the Bitlocker tool, or use the recovery key at boot to unlock and then disable. If hardware or disk errors persist, run chkdsk and contact Dell support before retrying decryption.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.